What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work, Burke. And today we're talking about upside review. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Upside review. The good, the bad, the ugly. Alright, so there are a few reasons why I'm making this video. A few reasons. The main reason though is gas prices are way too high. Like ridiculously high. At the time of this video, the U.S. average price of gas has officially broken the record set back in the summer of 2008 when it rose to $4.11. It now stands as the highest average gas price in U.S. history is $4.17, and it doesn't look like it's gonna come down anytime soon. Okay, these gas prices are causing some real financial hardship all around the board. People are choosing between eating and getting gas. Okay, I've witnessed folks call out of work based on the fact they can't afford to get to work. Ain't that something? They just can't afford to get there. So they lose money because they can't get to work, and it just becomes a bad financial cycle. Life-altering cycle. Stomach pains life cycle where you can't eat because you put gas in your car. So with all that being said, let's chat about this this Upside app. Okay, it's a gas app. It's free to download and use. It's available on iOS and Android phones. Once you download the app, it's going to give you all the gas stations in your surrounding area that have cash back per gallon. They also give you all the restaurants that are giving cash back also in your surrounding areas. Now, the kicker is you have to enable location services in the app. A lot of iPhone users stop apps from gaining access to the location. But this is key because this is the only way that will show you the deals on the map or in a list. So you definitely have to approve them being able to know your location. There is also a gift icon on the right side of the map screen. This is the free gas referral section. It gives you additional rewards every time someone you refer to the app buys gas. So you might want to refer your friends and family, trust me, okay? It's best to claim offers just before you make your purchase. That's because Upside puts a timer, which typically lasts a few hours on each offer. Before you claim an offer, make sure to comparison shop though. Okay, if the deal is for gas, use an app for like Gas Buddy or take a look at local prices on Google Maps. Comparison shopping for the lowest overall price is always a better deal, even if you're gonna get some type of incentive for going to another gas station. Okay, 9 times out of 10, it's a better deal if you are, the prices are like, so like one gas station is looking like $4 and the other gas station is $3.50, you wanna go with $3.50. Now, if you see an Upside deal that looks good to you, click the claim button to activate the offer and start the timer. I would also sign up to all cashback programs at every gas station I go to because you want to get some money off no matter where you go, no matter what gas station you use, you want to get money off of your gas. And once the deal is claimed on Upside, make sure you are on your way there to get the gas, okay? You don't want to get timed out of being able to get your deal. And to successfully claim the deal or offers, you need to make sure to complete the purchase within the allotted time and with the credit or debit card that you put on the app. Okay, this is paramount. You need to do that. You don't necessarily have to do this if you're going to be able to take a picture of there's a receipt of purchase onto the app. But to me, that's just an added hassle. Okay, what if you forget the receipt? What if you lose something? What if it's, you know what I'm saying? What if you get it mixed up and now you out of luck? Now, they will verify the purchase within 24 to 48 hours of you getting the gas. And if you want to get your money using PayPal or bank account, there is a $1 charge if you take out less than $15 and $10 for a bank transfer. So $15 for PayPal and $10 for a bank transfer. You can eliminate the fee if you refer a friend to Upside. So remember that. They also have digital gift cards, but they are only available in round preset dollar amounts. That doesn't make sense. But anyway, the Upside app is one of my favorite cash rebate apps right now. Okay, it's super easy to use, and when it comes to it, being practical and useful is definitely on point. Now, the only thing is the deals are limited, so you should definitely wake up early and claim your deals soon as you can, especially if you're tight on cash and you need gas to get to work. Okay, you don't want to be like other people calling out of work because you can't afford to get there, right? Now, once you sign up, make sure to share the apps. Share this app with friends and family, okay? Or make a review video or post it on your Facebook. I'm telling you, if you already made some money when using the app, this is a definitely way to get people to holler, because I've already made some money when using the app to get cash back. So make sure to sign up through my link below. I'm definitely putting the Wealth Builder stamp on this app. It's a great app. Definitely use it. Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, Devon. Put in work. Burke, signing off for my Upside review. The good, the bad, the ugly. Do remember, Wealth Builders, we make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.